I removed the rear mufflers from my IS250. And it's going back there to that middle pipe. And I'm gonna do a startup. There we have it.
A few moments later.
When I was younger, I didn't think that I would live for as long as I've been living it. And I ain't saying I expected to die before that number got high, just never deliberately considered it. Go figure it. Who'd have known I'd have had so many.
Today, I installed a DNA exhaust system for the Lexus IS250 all-wheel drive. It took about a half an hour. It looks pretty good. And we're gonna do a little startup. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. It's not bad for $223. You can see that one dips down a little bit more than the other, but that's okay. So, I think it turned out pretty well. Sweet.
12 seconds later.
Alright, so one thing I'd like to note about this exhaust system, it's the DNA eBay exhaust system. Dual exhaust, dual canisters, stainless steel. It was only 228 bucks. But here's the biggest problem. See how this one hangs down on an angle, and this one is flat? That's gonna bother me. I may have to get I may have to either take it to a muffler shop and see what they can do about it, or cut the muffler off the pipe, turn it, and then re-weld it. Because that's gonna bother me. Look at that. Ugh. But can't complain for the price. And yeah, so it almost looks like it's on an angle too. Maybe there's something I can do about it, but I don't know if it's going to turn that much. So, I guess in the videos you'll see that when I just took the mufflers off, it sounded like crap. I just left it down underneath the car, and it didn't really, it was just like, and it only sounded good in higher RPM. But with this, it already sounds way better. And I also have an intake on this as well. So with those two combined, it'll sound a lot more sporty. So yeah, I hope someone out there got some good information from this video. And if you want to see more, like, subscribe, and you have a good day. Thank you.